crystals have long been prized for their mystical beauty and healing properties. They have been used in many cultures throughout the ages to aid in physical, mental, and spiritual healing. The use of crystals is becoming more popular as people are looking for alternative healing methods. In this video, we will explore the benefits of crystals for beginners and how to use them in everyday life. Crystals are defined as a solid material formed from atoms of one or more elements that are arranged in a repeating pattern. Crystals come in a variety of shapes and sizes, depending on the type of crystal. They can range from small pieces of quartz to large geodes. Each type of crystal has its own unique properties and qualities that can be used to benefit the user. Throughout history, crystals have been used for various purposes. Ancient cultures believed that crystals had magical properties that could be used for healing, protection, and divination. In modern times, crystals are still used for healing and protection, but they are also used in a variety of other ways such as dreamwork, meditation, and energy healing. Benefits of crystals for beginners. For those who are just beginning to explore the world of crystals, there are many benefits to be gained from using them. The most common benefit is the healing properties that crystals possess. Different types of crystals have different properties that can be used to help with physical, mental, and emotional healing. Crystals can also be used to balance out energy in the body. Many people believe that when they hold a crystal or place it near their body, it helps to restore balance and harmony within themselves. This is known as crystal healing or energy healing. It can be used to help with stress relief, relaxation, and overall well-being. Different types of crystals also have different qualities that can be beneficial for beginners. By exploring the different types of crystals and their properties, beginners can find the type of crystal that best suits their needs. Amethyst is a purple crystal that is said to be a powerful healing stone. It is believed to help with stress and anxiety, improve sleep, and enhance spiritual awareness. Rose quartz is a pink crystal that is often associated with love and emotional healing. It is said to help with self-love, forgiveness, and trust. Clear quartz is a transparent crystal that is known as the master healer. It is believed to amplify energy, enhance clarity and concentration, and help with spiritual growth. Citrine is a yellow or orange crystal that is associated with abundance and prosperity. It is said to help with creativity and motivation, and to attract positive energy. Tiger's eye is a golden brown crystal with a banded pattern. It is said to help with grounding, protection, and clarity of thought. Black tourmaline is a black crystal that is believed to be a powerful grounding and protective stone. It is said to help with negativity, stress, and anxiety. Lapis lazuli is a deep blue crystal that is said to enhance self-awareness and spiritual growth. It is believed to help with communication and creativity. How to use crystals. Using crystals for healing is one of the most popular ways to use them. There are various methods of using crystals for healing, including meditation, visualization, and laying them on the body. When using crystals for healing, it is important to set an intention before starting so that the crystal will be able to work with you in achieving your desired outcome. Crystals can also be used in everyday life to help manifest positive energy and bring about desired changes. Placing a crystal on your desk or near your bed can help you stay focused and energized throughout the day. You can also carry a crystal with you during times of stress or anxiety to help bring about a sense of calmness and peace. Taking care of crystals. When using crystals for healing or other purposes, it is important to take care of them properly so that their energy remains strong and effective. Crystals should be cleansed regularly, either by holding them in running water or placing them in the light of the moon or sun for a few hours. This helps to remove any negative energy or buildup that may have occurred during use. Crystals should also be charged regularly so that they remain vibrant and powerful. Charging involves placing them in an area where they will receive direct sunlight or moonlight for a few hours each day. This helps to restore their natural energies and makes them more effective when used for healing or other purposes. Finally, it is important to store crystals safely when not in use so that they do not lose their power over time. It is best to keep them in a pouch or box away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures so that their energies remain strong and unaffected by outside influences. In conclusion, there are many benefits to using crystals for beginners as they offer healing properties and various qualities depending on the type of crystal used. They can be used for physical, mental, and emotional healing as well as manifesting desired changes in life. It is important to take care of crystals properly by cleansing and charging them regularly as well as storing them safely when not in use so that their energies remain strong and effective. With proper care and dedication, beginners can explore the potential of crystals to bring about positive changes in their lives.